Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 9th and the chapter number 1 we are doing, that is number system. In that, a very important question today I am going to tell you is example number 7, and the question is show that 0.3333 that so on is equal to 0.3 bar. We can write it like this. It can be expressed in the form of p by q. हमें इसको रेशनल नंबर के फॉर्म में लिखना है. So how we'll write where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. See how we'll do it. We know that what 0.3 ये हमें दिया हुआ है. This we have taken as x. x ले लिया हमने, तो x is equal to what? This. We can write it in this way. अगर as we have to change it in the form of p by q, हमने क्या किया, एक ट्रिक लिया, एक ट्रिक फॉलो किया. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 10 to x, what you will get? 10 into x, that is equal to, ये क्या हो जाएगा, 10 into x की वैल्यू हमारी क्या है, this. So what you will get, what is your answer? Here you will get what? 10 into this करेंगे तो 3.3333 like this it will come. That means 10x is equal to what? This means what? 10x is equal to this. Okay, that. So children, 10x is equal to this. अब हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 3 को अलग कर लेते हैं, 3 अलग कर लिया प्लस, और ये डेसिमल वाले, ये दैट इज 0.3333 हमारा क्या था, दैट इज व्हाट, x था. सो वी कैन राइट इट x. ठीक है, हियर वी आर हैविंग 10x, तो 10x, ये x जब इधर आएगा इट विल बिकम दिस, इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 3. व्हाट विल वी गेट, 10 minus 1, यहाँ पे क्या है, 1 है. दैट मीन्स 9x, 9x इक्वल्स टू 3 आ गया. नाउ सी 9x equals to 3, that means x is equal to 3 upon 9. Okay, and this, when you will cut this, you will get what, 1 upon 3. X is equal to what, 1 upon 3. Here is your answer. Okay, so you got the same number again. अब इसको डिवाइड करोगे, you will get this. अब हमने इसको क्या किया, इसको रैशनल नंबर के फॉर्म में लिख लिया. Okay, so in this way you have to do it. कुछ भी इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, just one trick you have to follow कि हमें इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Why? Because after one number decimal is there. अगर ये means बार एक ही नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है, if one number is repeating we have to multiply it with 10. अगर दो नंबर्स रिपीट होंगे we have to multiply it with 100. Okay, I'll tell you the next question also of 2 digits. Okay, when the 2 digits are repeating, see that. See children, here I have taken one number, that is show that 1.2727 and it is repeating, can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Here again we know that what, 1.2727, that means this number is repeating. It can be written in this way, 27 bar. Okay, let it be x. ठीक है, and as the two numbers are repeating we have to multiply it. Let it be x and multiply, हम इसको किससे करेंगे, it with what, 100. Why? Because we are having two numbers repeating. Okay, let's do it. This is, let x is equal to what, x is equal to 1.2727, right? So when we multiply it with 100, what you will get, 100 into x is equal to what, 1.27, 10 into 1.2727 like this. Okay, so what is your answer? 10 नहीं, sorry, it is what, 100 ना. 100 को जब आप इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, what you will get, see, पॉइंट हटाएंगे, 40 20 20 कट, it will be 127.27 like this it will come. Okay, then see children, here what you will get, 127.27 and so on. तो 100x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 127.27 एंड दिस इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं अगर हम इसको ब्रेक करें एज वी वांट दिस नंबर ओके x की प्लेस पे हमें वो नंबर चाहिए तो वी कैन डिवाइड इट एंड वी कैन राइट इट इन दिस वे 120 हमें क्या चाहिए 1.27 कैसे मिलेगा यू कैन 127.27 में वी वांट दिस नंबर दैट मीन्स अगर हम इसको माइनस कर देंगे वी विल गेट द नंबर सी हियर अगेन 2 okay and here we are having what 2 okay 1.2727 no 27 okay this is 0 this is 0 this is 0.621 यानी कि 126 अगर हम इधर ले लें 126 ले लें 126 प्लस व्हाट 1.2727 जब इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे विल गेट दिस है ना सो this here we got our way तो हमने ये ले लिया then after see this plus this ये आपको पता है ये क्या है this is what x okay that means 126 plus x you can write this is 100x okay it's clear to you then after what you'll do I am doing it here इसको मैं यहाँ लेके आ रही हूँ here see it is what 100x 100x equals to 126 plus x तो 100x के पास ये चला जाएगा x this is equal to 126 right this is 99x equals to 126 x is equal to 126 divided by what 99 okay now see it will go with 3 yes it will go with 3 3 3s are 9 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12 3 2s are 6 again it will go with 3 3 1s are 3 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3 3 1s are 3 so x is equal to 14 by 11 here is your answer yes it is 14 by 11 जब आप इसको divide करेंगे you will get the same number so in this way you have to represent this in rational number these two questions are very important आप एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस भी कर सकते हैं इस तरह से इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज राइट मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एज वेल एज आई जस्ट वांट टू से अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एज आई विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन अनुराधा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस further I'll upload more and more videos of different topics so be with me thank you and have a nice day